Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive better in golf. Let's start with a fundamental tip, teeing the ball correctly. For your driver, you should tee the ball high enough so that about half of the ball is visible above the top of your club head. This simple adjustment is crucial because it allows you to hit slightly up on the ball, which is ideal for maximizing distance and achieving a higher launch. Aim to strike the ball on the sweet spot, which is often a little above the center of the club face. Next, let's perfect your setup and stance. For right-handed golfers, place the ball off the inside of your lead heel. Your feet should be slightly wider than shoulder-width apart, providing a stable base for your powerful swing. Crucially, tilt your upper body slightly away from the target, so your trail shoulder is lower than your lead shoulder. This reverse K position helps you hit up on the ball and maintain balance throughout your swing. Now, let's refine your swing mechanics. Hold the driver with a relaxed yet secure grip. Too much tension can hinder your swing. Begin your backswing smoothly, rotating your shoulders to build coil and power. As you start the downswing, shift your weight forward onto your lead foot, then unleash power by rotating your hips and upper body explosively. Focus on a consistent tempo and hitting the ball with a sweeping motion to maximize clubhead speed. Finally, a proper follow-through is essential for accuracy and power. After impact, continue your body rotation so your hips are facing directly towards the target. Your weight should be almost entirely transferred onto your lead foot, allowing your arms to extend fully around your body. Strive to hold your finish in perfect balance until the ball lands. This balanced finish confirms a complete and controlled swing, helping you hit straighter and longer drives.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.